The interpretation and translation program was an eye-opening journey for me. In 8 months, we had completed 30 field trips to a variety of industries, from Surrey Memorial Hospital to YVR Airport, from Global TV Station to Maritime Museum, from Port Metro Vancouver to Whole Foods Market, from Rogers Arena to Legislative Assembly in Victoria. We went everywhere you can imagine. With so many on-site practices, we have gained confidence that it is within our reach to become a professional interpreter or translator in the future. We are also fortunate to have had great teachers with real-life experiences and rich knowledge in specific fields. I have learned so much from this program, a sweet memory I will never forget.